In today's session, we discuss about what is AI, what does AI do, how does AI work, where did AI come from. Now, artificial intelligence is the virtual intelligence which is based on the hypothesis that human thought can be mechanized, and artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science which works with the aim of making machines intelligent like human and work with accuracy and efficiency. For examples, in day-to-day life, we are using Google search engine, use AI algorithm like RankBrain, which is used to find the most suitable results as per requirement. Now the next one, auto email system worked on AI system for sending the marketing messages and mails in bulk, and auto reply system will work in the same way. Now the next one is e-services. There is many different types of e-services are available which understand the past behavior and choices of the users and generate results as per the prediction of the system. Now the next one is the chatbots. In online messenger, chatbots became more popular and important for assisting the customer online. For example, there is journey and transportation. AI used is most important in the form of fly a drone, drive, parking camera, where drones used in defense system and for delivery for products, AI used in driverless or automotive cars and vehicles, AI-based sensor used in parking a car. Now, in the science and medicine environment or field, it discovered new uses of existing drugs. It spot cancer in tissue slides better than human epidemiologists, identify diabetic retinopathy from retinal photos. It analyzed the genetic code of DNA to detect genomic conditions, and here it detects a range of conditions from images where it solved the quantum state of many particles at once. In the area of agriculture, it helps in detecting crop disease, spray pesticide with pinpoint accuracy, predict crop yields, sort cucumbers, etc. And in the security system, it also helpful in our spot burglars in your home finding the. And the next one, it write its own encryption language. It predicts social unrest 5 days before what it happens, unscramble pixelated images, detect malware, verify your identity, anticipate fraudulent payment attacks before they happen. In the field of finance, it plays very important role, and in trade stocks it also used, handle insurance claims easily. Now, in the field of law, it also helps us, like in a European court, predicting the outcome of cases with 79% accuracy, do research legal cases, and flagging errors in legal documents. And the next one, it plays go better than human. It can beat 75% of Americans in a visual intelligence test, absolutely nail Super Mario game, beat the best human player at Texas Hold'em poker, and the creativity, it can write poems that can published easily. It can creatively generate some music, come up with its own recipes in cooking environment, and here is something different like AI, some boring but important capability like it can easily understand the lip reading better than human being. It can provide optimum utilization of data and energy at data centers. It can Twitter troll easily. And the next one is as we know about AI can do much more than this. It seems that machines are ready to take over, but humans will still be required to do lots of intelligent work. Mainly we use AI to save our time and perform tasks with efficiency and accuracy, allowing people to do other online tasks on different portals and systems. Then we allowing AI to do other tasks of the work while we busy on other some tasks. Now we discuss here where did AI come from. First of all, we discuss about evolutions of artificial neurons in 1943, and then a Turing machine is developed where a Turing test is conducted by Alan Turing. After that, that will represented as a artificial intelligence term in the Dartmouth conference in 1956, and the first chatbot developed Eliza in 1966, and then first intelligence robot Webot is developed in 1972. After that, it will be getting mature the year by years and developed an expert system in 1980s, and the second AI winner in 1987 to 1993, and then it developed IBM Deep Blue first computer to beat a world chess champion in 1997, and then AI in home robots entered into the market and it reached at our home in the 2002, and then IBM and Watson wins a quiz show in 2011, and in the year 2012 Google engine is developed, and at the last a Turing test is conducted in 2014, and the Amazon Echo is the latest test in 2015, and the other things which are getting mature day by day, year by year during the development of artificial intelligence, and it enters into the field of AI around us, which makes it popular. It enters in at our homes. Now, rapiding of artificial intelligence in the 1943 to 1952. Here, in 1943, first work on AI was done by McClure and W. Pitts. In 1943, they recommended a model of artificial neurons, and in the 1949, a Habian learning system is rolled here, and after that, in 1950, a Turing machine is released that will be tested as a intelligent machine, and then the biological of artificial intelligence in 1952 to 1956. Year 1955, a logic theorist is developed, and then in 1956, artificial intelligence world first opposed by American computer scientist McCarthy at the Dartmouth conference. And then terrific years early enthusiasm 1956 to 1974, where a chatbot in 1966 which named as Eliza is developed. In the 1972, the similar webbot is developed in the Japan. The initial AI winter in 1974 to 1980s. Here, the time span between 1974 to 1980s was the first AI winter session, and then AI winter referred to that time period when scientists deal with the shortage of funding. After that, as a new technology of AI in 1980 to 1987, year 1980, after AI winter duration, AI came back with expert system. Expert system were programmed to emulate the decision-making ability of human expert. After that, big data, data analytics, deep learning, and artificial intelligence came 2011 to present days. In 2011, IBM's Watson won a quiz show named Jeopardy, where he solved the complex riddles. In year 2012, Google is capable of providing information on the basis of predictions. In 2014, chatbot won competition in the notorious Turing test. In 2018,